Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems. Whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide, we have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to copy your Threads profile link. First of all, you can open the Threads application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can see the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Just simply tap on it, and after tapping on it, you can see the option that is share profile at the middle right of the screen, that is next to your edit profile. Tap on this, and after this you can see your QR code, and here you can see the option copy link at the bottom of the screen. Now tap on copy link, and it is the way you can copy your profile link on Threads app. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.